Hi, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today, wanted to walk you through a 2021 Harris. This is a Harris 230 Solstice. The Solstice is more of a premier line for Harris. So this one we did add with a lot of different bells and whistles, and I think you're gonna like it. First of all, I want to show this is obviously a tri-tune. So we did 3 tunes, and then we did the upgraded package for the tunes. So they have a little bit more bracing in the cone and a little bit of what they call a rough water package. So it can handle a little bit more of the bigger water. They've got nice docking lights right up here on the decking, and then pop-up cleats for these as well. So those just pop right up. Obviously, like I said, Harris, with the Solstice lineup, you get a little bit more fencing and support with this particular pontoon, and we did just a classic white, so it looks really, really cool. Like I said, Solstice 230. You can see this back is extended a little bit. We did what we call the extended swim platform. There's a lot of space back here to hang out, swim, jump off, whatever you want to do. We've got the ski tow bar that was added on here. And then we did up this with a bigger engine. This is the Mercury 4-stroke. It's 250 horsepower. So for a 23-foot pontoon, 250 horsepower, should be able to do everything. Water skiing, tubing, wakeboarding, whatever you guys want to do with your family. So let's go into the interior and take a look at the layout. Welcome to the interior of the pontoon. First want to show you the layout. So we call this a CWDH, so center walk-through dual helm seats. So you've got a conversation piece back in here. We've got 3 cup holders on this side and 3 cup holders on this side, and they're recessed, so they're kind of inside. Keeps those away from anything that might be around it. So we also have USBs on both sides, so you can plug in phones. There's storage underneath each one of these seats. And in the Solstices, you have the flip down armrests, but then they also add cup holders. So that's a nice little option added. And I also wanted to mention the interior is the French gray with, we added this as pillow top. So it is super soft all the way around. It's soft right in here. Feels really nice, really upgraded with the Solstice line. So the other thing I want to mention is the bimini. So we ordered this as a 10-foot bimini, but this one's the electric version. So you press a button and the whole thing will go up and down. Makes putting it up and down super simple. And then integrated into the bimini is some LED blue lighting as well. So those are in there. Mentioned the dual helm seats. These are the high backs. So you got lots of back support. They have both armrests that pop up, and then they also recline. They'll also spin 360 on both sides, either one. And then they go forward and backward as well. We've got the nice helm area. You've got a Simrad system that gives you a ton of information. So you can bring this on to pretty much every lake you want, any lake you want, it's gonna give you all the depths. And then we have some just push buttons in here, different knobs. And then because this is the 250, this is digital throttle. So super easy moving this forward and back. And then we also have the wireless phone charger. So you can pop that on there, don't have to plug it in, and it'll charge it for you. Also want to mention the stereo system. We did upgrade this to the JL audio system. So you get speakers all the way around, and then you also get an added JL subwoofer. So for sound quality, JL is the top, and it sounds amazing in this particular pontoon. And then in the front of the pontoon, we have seating again. You've got storage, you've got 6 more cup holders up here. And the last thing I'll point out is actually the storage in the floor. So because we have the 3-tune package, it's nice and deep. The table's actually in here as well, because that comes with this particular one. This is a great one, the Solstice with the 250 horsepower. You got the electric bimini, lighting, JL audio. This thing is loaded. It is here at our Rogers location. Give us a call if you want to schedule an appointment, or just stop by and we'd love to show it to you. And as always, please click the like button and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out daily.